What's up guys? So ano kita unit Ford Mondeo gini. Ang system ni napagsak ni sa city. And then yeah, simple things lang atong ilisan na ni. Ang outer tie rod. So as usual, kining mga Ford products aduna sila ay breaking nut or stud bolt na adunay silver cover. Unya ang kadaot ra ba ni kay matangtang na ba ni? Kadugayan matangtang. Dayon di na din mabalik. Unya 19 mil kini siya nga kuan, 19 mil kini siya nga stud bolt. Andi kung matangtang na ng silver cap, mahimo na siyang 18 mil. Butong say pumaagi ning po gano na ibinto sila gunanay nga perti ning batiya kayo. It good on the outer looks, but when you're removing it, it will go also the outer cap, and it's not really very hassle design actually. So whatever it is, magilis kita ang outer tie rod, or American term is track rod end, or European term is outer tie rod. Ano na siya? So ang pag-ilis na simple na kayo, no? Pag close nimo sa nut, turn, take note on how many turns you got it out, and then the same turns you put it back. So you're gonna do now, jack up, remove this 19 mil stud bolt, and then jack up with the support of the jack stand. Okay, so ito na siyang markahan, no? Okay, so actually ito lang siyang tunawon. No, dust cover ang yan kulang, hindi na siya. Okay, dust cover, fry cut yung dust cover, so isa na ito. Okay. Sometimes madala siya hamiron diri, locking hammer here can it be good. And then before nato siya knock down sa hammer, ato sa siyang lugakan diri, no? Guys, nagsis ang iyang ko ang iyang nut between sa naghold sa inner and outer tie rod, nagsis. So ang nabagsakan sa in-city is ang dust cover niya, dust cover, as you can see, fry cut ang iyang dust cover nung nabagsak siya. But I try to wiggle it, and there's no such thing as play on this one. This is good as new. So we will change the dust cover only, because as I tested it, it's not worn like so. We just put clean this grease here, and then put new grease on it, and then put the dust cover back on the new one. We just transfer this one here and put this one in here, the old one, and we will see, because in this case we cannot change just the outer tie rod here because it's a seize. what I mean is a very impossible thing to do. So I tried everything, but it doesn't work. Heat up and then spray penetrating oil, and it doesn't work. So worst case scenario here, either he will buy inner tie rod, because we're gonna cut off this one and then take out the inner tie rod from the inside knuckle. So the best strategy here para hindi makabili yung may-ari ng inner and inner tie rod is we just replace the outer dust cover, no, sa tie rod, which is only nabagsakan. So we'll do that. Clean here as much as possible of the grease, and then we just put new grease on it. Okay, we'll see later on. Okay, so we just put grease in here. This is actually high temperature grease that we're going to put in here. That's it. Put a little bit on here. That's it. And then you put the dust cover. This is how you're gonna remove the dust cover. Actually, here. We're going to remove it completely. Like that. Then fold back. Take it out. Okay. Let's put this here. Simple as that. Okay. And then sometimes if we cannot put this back, we can also like replace o-ring here, but we'll try to put this back on. Okay, if there's no this one, you can put just o-ring here, and that's it. O-ring will hold also. Okay, we just replace with a new one. That's good. Okay. Then put it back on. No need tracking. That's it. Para magkaroon siya ng tension. Tuyok pa na inigwa na to. Ito nyo. Para din siya mapuntaan to tension. Load kamay. Para mag-push out siya, no? Push in and in. Push in siya. Job done. Yeah. Again, ato ni siyang gibuhat nga ilisan lang ang dust cover kay kung dili nato ilisan ang tagya mapugos og palit og inner. So galing kay wa man tay inner, ang depekto lang sa yang outer tie rod is ang dust cover, no? But the ball joint itself is not worn. The ball joint is good as new. The only wrong here is the dust cover only. So we just replace the dust cover and that's it. And then after replacing dust cover, just put a socket in here so the ball joint sits on that hole in there, and then put tension and then tie up here, and that's it. And then if it is wheels, guys, always Dory torque. This is 130 Newton meter. Okay, always Dory torque because this is very important. That's it. So that's it. Nakasave siya ng inner tie rod. No need tracking because wala naman tayong ginalaw na hindi naman natanggal tuluyan yung outer tie rod at so hindi nagalaw. No need tracking. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.